Luke, what you doing? You need help? With what? You're helping? Show me help. Show me this. Good job. What do you need help with? Your spoon? What are you trying to do? Put something? Did something fall back here? Okay, good job. Okay, get him out. Get it out. Pick it up. All right. Good. You're spinning? Okay, show me how you spin. Show me. No, show me how you spin. Go spin. That was funny. No, don't come up. Luke, can you say hi? Can you say hi, Tata? Good job. Can you say good, though? Can you say love you? Can you say blow kisses? Look at me. Look at me. Blow kisses. What are you doing? Look at me. Me. Look at me. Okay, blow me kisses. Good job. Crazy boy. Hey. What happened? Here, let's go play with something. Let's go do something. Wee! Wee! That's your... Are you going to sit on it? A spoon. More. That's a spoon. Spoon. Good job. No, here, you want to sit in your car? Yeah, sit on it. All right. Woohoo! So big. Ah. Where's your ball? Where's your balls? Where's your hammer? Where's your hammer? Oh, hammer. Yeah. Are you going to fix the wall? The other way, buddy. Remember, turn it. There you go. Okay, now hammer. Go for it. Nice. Good job. Yeah, good job. Yeah, turn it around. Good job. Good job. What about that one? Yeah. You gonna fix something else? Your tool? Screwdriver. That's right. You gonna fix stuff? That's right. It goes in the screws. Did you get it? You fixed it? Good job. You're a smart boy. What else? Yeah, what is that? For your cars? You need help? Or are you going to help it? Oh, you're going to fix it? Okay, good. Woo! Uh-oh, what? Yeah?